The DJ moving head. Is it DMX compatible? You bet your biscuits they are. 3-prong out, 3-prong in. They provide you with your cable, mounting bracket, controller, power supply. But I know you've seen that. You want to see this in action, right? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Do not force the heads, like don't twist anything. Let it, when you first plug in, it's gonna do its thing. Let it. Don't force anything. Also, don't look directly at the lasers. I'm sure that's common sense, but please do not do that. So this is what it looks like. You, of course, have voice. Voice goes with voice. So what's up, everyone? Changes. You have your mic. So if you got a mic on, speed, DMX, auto, all your settings on here. But let's actually show you what this looks like.
Like on Junior, toss me a basketball and I'll dunk on you. I'm tripping, or a farming done right. I'ma keep it right tonight. On the 4th of July. School and you look so beautiful. You are the only girl who would come and talk to me.
What's up, everyone? We are working on building a DJ setup. So we have a lot of stuff going on here, and as you can see, test out how that sounds.
I'ma score on you like I'm a striker. I'ma score on you like I'm the striker. If you know. You know he's the GOAT. I'm scoring you like I'm LeBron James.
Yeah, DMX Music is back with another banger. Let's go.
I'm the beast when I step on the field. Look at me, you can feel what I'm near. Never gonna run empty, I'm always on fuel. When I have my mind on something, I'm a raven. I'm the beast when I walk into a room. My presence is felt from across the court. Toss my love football and I'll score like on Junior Pro. Toss me a basketball and I'll dunk on you. I'm tripping, or a farming done right. I'ma keep it right tonight. You can feel my glow when you turn off the lights. Or a farm dripping swagger.
Wanger X Music is back with You a Beast. I'm the nightmare you run from.
You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. You ain't got nothing on me. Okay.
Yeah.
You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. I'ma show you what a real man is. Okay. You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. You ain't man enough to stand in my face. You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. Yeah, I smack you back down. You know me, you don't know a thing. I'ma put you straight to the bases you bring. Bro, what you mean? You think you can touch me? You can't even keep a candle lit next to me. You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. Step in my zone, better pray that you don't come. I don't talk loud, I just move.